Hello everyone, today we're going to be doing 2 tricks in one video. So let's get started. We're going to do the snap change card trick and tutorial and a really cool prediction card trick. So we're going to be using these 2 new decks. We have a red knock deck and a bicycle shadow masters deck. So we're going to be using the knock deck for the snap change. So you don't need the jokers for this one. I'll show you guys the tutorials after I do the performances. So you can actually give the cards the spectator to shuffle. Wow, hard to shuffle with right out of the box deck. Let's try that one more time. Okay, so now what you do is tell the spectator to pick any card they want. Let's say they pick that one, the 10 of spades. Alright, so now you tell them to tell you when to stop, because you're going to riffle down. Stop. Okay, actually doesn't matter, so then you can actually shuffle it again if you want. And now, so the card was the 10 of spades, right? You can actually show them that the top card isn't the 10 of spades and the bottom card isn't the 10 of spades because they're not. So now you're gonna actually, you're gonna snap your fingers and you're gonna say, I think the top card is your card. Was this your card? In this case, it isn't, but maybe it is. Thanks guys. If you enjoy the trick, stay tuned for the next performance and then the tutorials. Alright guys, for this trick I'm going to be using the Shadow Masters deck. The back looks really cool. So let's get this opened. Once again, we don't need jokers for this trick. So this is basically a really cool prediction card trick. You could show the spectator that there are no, that's a double backer. We don't need that either. You could show them that it's in like no specific order. Because it's not. And then you tell them to pick a number between 10 and 19. Let's say they pick like 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, actually I'm going to flip over a card in the rest of the deck. It's a prediction for later. So we have that. Okay, so now their number was 15. So we're going to break down the number 15. 1 and 5. So we're going to do 1 plus 5 equals 6. So the 6th card down is the 8 of clubs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 card is actually the 8 of clubs. But we're actually not done yet. We're going to actually put the 8 of clubs on top. We're going to square up both of the decks, and then I am actually going to do something really cool. So you could tell, so I'm going to actually mix this deck. So it's actually mixed. Okay, so now you tell them, so the 8 of clubs is actually face up in this one. It's getting mixed. So let's look for the 8 of clubs. 2 of spades, 4 of clubs, ace of clubs, jack of clubs, 7 of clubs, 8 of hearts, ace of hearts, 9 of clubs, 7 of hearts, 3 of clubs, king of hearts, 3 of spades, ace of spades, and 9 of hearts. So the 8 of clubs isn't in there, but the one card that I actually flipped over in the beginning was actually the 8 of clubs. Well, thanks for watching, guys. After this is actually the tutorials for those 2 tricks I just showed you. Alright, hey guys, so this is the tutorial for snap change, the first trick I showed you. So, you can have the spectator shuffle the deck up, first of all. And then this trick might take a little practice. I mean, I don't blame you if it takes 1 or 2 weeks. Okay, so then they could pick a card, any card, it doesn't matter. Say they pick this one, the Queen of Spades. Alright, so then you say, you tell them to tell you when to say stop. Stop. It doesn't matter. It doesn't really matter. Just put it on top. Put it here, catch a little pinky break. Maybe double or triple cut it. I did double in the performance. It's a little harder for the triple cut. Cut it back to the top. Shuffle it again, maintaining the top card, the Queen of Spades. Right, still on top. So then, you need to perform a double lift here. You tell them, so it's not on the top. Do a double lift, so that's actually the 7 of clubs. And it's not on the bottom. You show the bottom card. So then you actually do another double lift. Pick up the 7 of clubs, which actually also has their card in it, right under it, but it looks like one card. And this is the snap change part. This is a little tricky. You basically have to, it's kind of hard to practice in slow motion, but you have to bring the 7 of clubs down with your middle finger. Let go with your pointer finger. Catch a little grip with your pointer finger on the Queen of Spades. And that. So this is what it looks like in fast motion. It just changes out of midair. It just looks really cool when you actually master it. Just keep practicing that. If you don't get it the first time, don't feel bad. Alright guys, so that's snap change. I'm going to show you the prediction one in just a second. Alright guys, so this is the prediction card trick that I just did. So you can give the deck, actually, you could spread through the cards, show that they're mixed, and catch a glimpse of the 10th card. Which in this case is the Ace of Spades. So then you put them back. Just remember that card. So then you tell the spectator to pick a number between 10 and 19. Say they pick like 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now this will work every time, no matter what number they pick. Now before you do this, you say I'm gonna flip over one card in the deck. But you don't actually flip over any card. You just like fake it. Here you flip it once and then flip it another time. So there's nothing face up. You're just telling them you think it is. So the 10th card was the Ace of Spades. Now that's automatically gonna be 14. 1 plus 4 equals 5. So the 5th card is automatically the Ace of Spades. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th card, Ace of Spades. Really easy. So then this is the part that could get a little tricky, but honestly it's kind of easy. So the Ace of Spades is face up in this small little packet. And then you say, so this is when the rest of the deck comes in handy. So when you're squaring up the decks, you're gonna thumb off the Ace of Spades to the other deck, the big one, so it looks like this from behind. Because you can't even see the Ace of Spades going. So now the Ace of Spades is on the larger deck. And then you actually, you don't let them see this, so you flip it over. You could shuffle these. Now, say you're going to shuffle this deck with the Ace of Spades on top. You're going to cut it once. Just cut it once. Get it in the middle somewhere. Just try that. And then you tell the spectator to look for the Ace of Spades. And it's obviously not in there. Because you say now that the one card that I flipped over is actually the Ace of Spades. Well, thanks guys. If you enjoyed this this card trick video, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe, and make sure to take some time on that snap change. Bye.